What do you think is the best place in the world? If you ask us, the best place in the world is a living space where you feel you belong and that reflects you. As Decortie, we have been working to achieve this since 2009, to ensure that all living spaces are the best places in the world for the people they house. We draw on from unique designs and technology. All our products are first planned by the R&D department. Next, the prototype is prepared and then produced after extensive testing. Here we tailor our designs for all tastes and lifestyles. For this reason, we have chipboard in a variety of colors in our production area. As a brand whose designs are inspired by nature, we use recyclable, environmentally friendly materials in all stages of the production process. In the production stages, which we call the golden standard, we produce the products planned by our own design team with minimal errors and maximum optimization. There's no room for error at Decortie. That's why we always improve our processes and way of thinking. For this reason, we utilize technology throughout all our processes, from cutting to edge banding and drilling to packaging. At Decortie, high quality is the standard. In our post-production quality control practices, we assess our standards through technology-supported processes. With our narrow aisle racking system that we use for addressing, we facilitate our logistics operations. As Decortie, we manufacture modern and contemporary disassembled products suitable for different lifestyles and offer designs that stand out with their ease of assembly. We are meticulous, not only when it comes to the quality of our products, but also in terms of delivery, as we design our own boxes. We pack all accessories with our special counting machine. Thanks to our visionary approach that enables us to produce innovative and smart solutions, we develop innovative applications that bring an end to damaged boxes, one of the greatest problems faced by our industry. Today, with more than 1,200 types of products and a monthly production capacity of more than 40,000 products, as Decortie, we present our products to the world. We design, produce and export to 28 countries at our own facilities, where all our processes are carried by our own employees. Ever since we first set out on this journey, we have been driven by our innovation-focused passion for design. We take action, not just for today, but for the future. We continue to design to make sure that everyone's living space around the world is the best place in the world.